what the fuck is this? Goddamn Google, man. Oh, and there's always that one. There he is. Oh, quick, it's open. The lane is open. Better just jump in and fucking slow everything down. Go, stupid. All right. SRTA boost here. How's everybody doing? We are going for a ride on the highway out to a site that the guys are working on. Just gonna go check up on them, say hello. It's a beautiful day. You know, the days are numbered. Fall's coming and everything, so I better take advantage of this. Even though I ride right into November and December because I don't give a shit, but whatever. When I say take advantage of it, it means the nice weather before you have to start wearing friggin' insulated pants and shit. Anyway, so we'll sit back, enjoy the ride. A little bit of commentary here and there too. And once again, great way to start a video, right to a red light. Perfect. Okay, I'll get you guys back soon. Alright, it seems a little more promising now. Got stopped at a couple of lights there. How is the highway today? I got a little bit of construction over there. Looks promising. Shit, there's a little banana peel on the road there. That's hilarious. It was like friggin' the Super Mario go-kart game there. Just whoop. Do the old jump over. I'll get run over here. Looks good to me. Lots of wind out here today. It's all good. Oh yeah, I forgot to close my visor all the way. That'll probably help a little bit with the head bobbing. Oh, now what the fuck is this? Goddamn Google, man. You check the traffic on the map, right? See if it's like, you know, lit up green or red or whatever. And this was green. This is not green. Typical. Oh. Was it construction or something? Or got a yellow sign up of the yellow arrow. Oh man, the temperature's so nice today. It's like just perfect. I think it's gonna be like a high of 24 or something like that. Celsius. Okay. No reason to slam your fucking brakes on. Relax. Okay, it smells like popcorn outside for some reason. Wow. Well, that's weird. Highway's actually somewhat open. Now that's the strangest thing I've seen today. I gotta say, I know I'm only doing 120 right now. This is the fastest I've ever driven in this section for God knows how many years now. Usually it's like fucking slow motion over here. Well, you guys have seen in my past videos. It's ridiculous. Oh, and there's always that one. There he is. Oh, quick, it's open. The lane is open. Better just jump in and fucking slow everything down. God damn it. Alright, where's it gonna open up? Be able to sneak in somewhere here? Let's see. Okay, I guess I gotta make my move, right? There she is. Man, this bike's so much fun. Like, just imagine riding like a dirt bike on the highway, but it's got like a 950 on it. Pretty well what it is. Okay, turn you back on when we're out of this shit. Alright, we're in Toronto. Friggin' 10 minutes sitting on the off-ramp. But hey, you know what? This isn't so bad over here though, at least. I mean, well, it could always be better. I mean, there could be just nobody on the friggin' road. That'd be great. You got to haul ass a little bit, you know? That was a, like, really big pothole. That would have sucked. Of course, someone parked on the road here. Typical. So another pretty big friggin' pothole. Jesus. Oh, fuck that guy. Oh my god, that's funny. The guy's sticker says, I jerk it till she swallows. It's obviously a fishing thing. There's a bass on it. Funny shit. Oh, that's so weird. I just realized that house. Nice. Little snap, crackle, pop there, boy. Oh, perfect. That's funny. Masonry. Go, stupid. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.